In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update employer tax rates in QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and sign into your company file. Make sure you're in the correct company before making any payroll changes, since tax settings affect how employer payroll taxes are calculated going forward. It's always a good idea to have the tax notice from your federal or state agency nearby, so you can match the rate exactly as provided. Once you're inside QuickBooks, go to the top menu and click Employees. From there, select Payroll Setup. This area is where you can review and manage important payroll-related settings, including the tax information connected to your business. Next, click Taxes, and then choose Federal. If you're updating a state employer tax rate instead, choose State. This will take you to the section where the employer tax items are listed. Take a moment here to carefully review the current tax items and confirm exactly which one needs to be updated. This is especially important if you manage multiple tax types, since selecting the wrong item could affect payroll reporting and calculations. After you've identified the correct employer tax item, select it and click Edit. This opens the settings for that specific tax. In the Edit window, enter the new employer tax rate or update the applicable tax settings based on the notice you received from the tax agency. Be careful when entering percentages, rates, or any other tax details, and double-check that the information matches the official notice exactly. Even a small entry mistake can cause inaccurate payroll tax calculations. Once the new rate has been entered, save the changes. This updates the employer tax setting in QuickBooks, so the new rate can be used moving forward. After saving, don't rush past the final check. Review the updated employer tax rate on screen and confirm that it has been applied correctly. This final review helps catch any typing errors before your next payroll is processed. If you update tax rates regularly, it can also help to keep a record of when the change was made and which notice it came from, so your payroll records stay organized and easy to reference later. That's all it takes to update employer tax rates in QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. Thanks for watching.